In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the LFMTE Loyalty Rewards plugin to set up the weekly rewards program at Traffic Splash. So inside the Traffic Splash members area, members can claim different rewards depending on how many days in a week that they've surfed at least 25 pages. So for example, if a member surfs 3 out of 7 days in a week, they can get 10 credits. If they surf 4 out of the 7 days, they can get 20 credits. So I've got a list of prizes, and then if they surf all 7 out of 7 days, they get 2 Lodge bucks. So this is how it looks on the members side. So now I'll show you how I set all of this up on the admin side. So I've got the plugin enabled, and I've named it Weekly Rewards. And then this is where I set the number of pages that a member needs to surf every day for that day to count towards unlocking their prizes. So at Traffic Splash, I've got this set to 25 pages. You can set this to whatever you want at your own TE. And then down here, I've set up each reward. So this is the 10 credits. And for the description, I've created an image. And that's this image that you see right here. So if you want, you can create your own image and put it here, or you could just enter text or HTML. It's completely up to you. Now to get it to work, so members need to surf 3 out of 7 days, I've set up under surf requirements that members need to surf 3 days out of 7. And because these are weekly rewards that members can claim every week, I've got it set so they can claim every 7 days. So if they qualify for the prize and they claim it today, after 7 days, if they've surfed 3 out of the past 7 days, they'll be able to claim it again. And then this is where you set up what type of prize you want it to be. So you could give away an upgrade, or you could give away credits, banners, text ads, cash, and if you have our Square Banners plugin, mini branders, PL ads, and Piggy Bank, you can set up those types of rewards as well. And then I did the same for 20 credits. So in order to unlock the 20 credits reward, they have to surf 4 out of 7 days. And then it goes all the way down to 2 Lodge bucks. So to get the 2 Lodge bucks, to be able to claim that reward, they have to surf all 7 out of 7 days. And then since I'm using the LFMTE Piggy Bank plugin to provide Lodge bucks at Traffic Splash, I've entered $2 into the Piggy Bank field. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up the plugin and how easy it is to set up all of your rewards. And then as members claim the rewards, you can click on Rewards Log to view a list of all of the rewards that members have claimed. And that's it. That's all there is to setting up and using the LFMTE Loyalty Rewards plugin.